It's a garlic bread and ratatouille casserole. I think we're pretty down with that. So we're gonna start out with 2 medium or 1 large zucchini. If the zucchini is very seedy, meaning that it has a lot of seeds and liquid at the center, scrape that out with a spoon, just like this guy. We have some red field peppers or red frying peppers, mild peppers, some cubanelle peppers. We have several cloves of crushed garlic, a large red or yellow onion, I prefer red, some good quality olive oil, over medium to medium-high heat. I threw in a couple of tablespoons of fresh thyme, and we're going to season these vegetables with salt and pepper. I've already salted zucchini's best friend, eggplant. Salt it, and I roll it into a dish towel to press out all the excess liquid, and then use the towel to help you drop it in the pot. So we want this to be a quick cooking stew. I'm gonna put the lid slightly ajar. Then we're going to add a little white wine and some diced or crushed or whole tomatoes. For the garlic bread, what we're gonna do is layer garlic bread in the bottom of our casserole dish, top it with all of the ratatouille and cheese. I char the bread a little bit first. This is 1 small loaf of ciabatta, about 12 inches, about a foot long. I split it and I charred it, so it's already a little toasted, right? Then I'm gonna take butter and that good olive oil and some crushed garlic and slather the bread with it. Then, of course, Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. And just for something green, well, parsley. Hey guys, so this is actually a 30-minute vegetarian entree. Garlic bread on the bottom. Chunky, beautiful vegetable stew, that lovely ratatouille scooped down over the top. When you get to the top of the casserole, we're gonna top this with Gruyere and some more of the Parmigiano-Reggiano. Then you bake it off. Serve it nice and warm or even room temperature. It's delicious. Then we take our basil, tear that just as we take it to the table. And it's a lovely addition to any holiday meal or potluck. Travels really well, lots of veggies, but it's also a wonderful, delicious, nutritious, meat-free dinner. I mean, this is hearty, yummy, beautiful.